Hello, welcome to the Damoov DataHub tutorials. In this video, I will show how to leverage the live tracking interface. First things first, let's explore the integration options. In the documentation, we've added a live tracking tab. A quick start tab showcases the available options. Our SDK has an additional data stream that broadcasts live tracking data. And as of now, there are 3 ways to leverage the live tracking service. First, Single-Page Application, or SPA. You can embed this portal via an iFrame to your website or application to show dashboards, any necessary details, and so on. You simply embed it into your website or application, and it's ready to work. In other words, you don't need to build anything yourself. Second, REST API integration. You can access it to pull certain values like the last known position, current trip data, device statistics, and other information. Third, WebSocket. With WebSocket, you subscribe to a channel that keeps pumping real-time data to you from all your connected devices. From there, you can integrate it into your own platform, forward it on, process it, do whatever you need. Essentially, your devices send the data, and we simply forward it to you. So, what does live tracking look like? If you go to our portal, you'll see a tab called Live Tracking. As a company, you can enable real-time data for a specific application and an instance. You enable the user groups you want to view, and then they start broadcasting to you. Right now, you're seeing vehicles in real time, drivers who are currently on the move. You can click on a driver and see their status, current speed, location, and other details. Here, you can copy their device token. You can click here to copy their position or time. Click Show Trip to see the driver's trip, where they started and where they're going. You can check any other driver, for example, this one. You can see where they're driving from and where they're now. Looks like their speed is low. Probably they were at a traffic light. Now they're back to driving. If you zoom out, you'll see all your drivers who are currently assigned to this user group. You can see all of your drivers, wherever they are in the world. As you can see, drivers' icons have different colors. The user's status can change between 3 colors. The status icon is highlighted green if the user has been active in the last 2 minutes. They turn yellow if the last data came between 2 and 5 minutes ago. And finally, they turn red if it's been more than 5 minutes without updates from the user. If the driver is not moving for more than 10 minutes, the dot disappears. What is more, you can set a speed limit threshold in the menu. Suppose you want to see drivers who are currently going faster than 40 kilometers per hour. Those drivers' icons will be highlighted in red. Moreover, when you click a driver, it shows their current speed, and it can also show the violations. If you click on the driver and choose Show Trip, you can see their trip waypoints along the route. The red ones represent the period where the driver exceeded the threshold. Let's take a look at another driver. Here are their trip waypoints. Here, the blue point shows no speed violation, and here, the red point indicates a violation. So, as a manager, you can see exactly what's happening and who is currently violating. In the iFrame version, you can take a look at one specific user instead of all of them. Let's select this user. We can copy their device token and pass it in the URL. After the map ? Write device token equals in one word. Then paste the device token and write the ampersand symbol before the instance ID. Press Enter. If you zoom out, you'll see that now there's only the chosen driver on the map. If you need to find a specific driver, you just put their device token in the URL and it will show only that driver. For example, you've copied the device token, also known as the user ID, of the driver you need. Now swap the token in the URL, press Enter, and that's it. It now shows just the driver you needed. Then, if you want to see everyone again, open the menu and select View All. All your drivers reappear back on screen. And just like that, you now know everything there is about the live tracking interface in Damoov DataHub. Check out the demo version of our live tracking tool by following the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Drive safe.